Okay. It's time to eat. Okay.
I can feel it when you walk, even when you talk, it takes over me. Yes, I get it. I wanna know, can you feel?
That ain't my girl, that's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, riding with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a peace of mind, baby. Come and get a peace of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl. I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips.
All right, y'all. It's Sunday, March 24th. I'm at the laundromat washing clothes. It's 4:25 right now. I've been here about 10 minutes. So I'm washing work clothes for the week. So yeah. And it's packed as heck over here. But like, everything is upgrading and everything different now. Remember, like, back in the day, they used to have quarters, you know. I think some of the laundromats still do. They take quarters. You know, you got to make change. But the one where I'm in, they got a little card. They bougie. So, you get the card here. They got a whole little machine. You ain't got to go wait on nobody and all that. The only thing with the machines is if once they break, then what? So I came over here, I got me a card because I wanted to come to this one. It's nicer. It's a lot more machine. You know, it's nicer than the one I usually go to. So, and this one closer to my house. So I came here. Came here. The machine. I went to the machine. It tell you step by step because I wasn't sure how it worked. You put your card in or whatever. Well, first you got to put your name and your email and all that. First name, email. I think you got to put your phone number in. I think that's it. You put your card, your credit card, whatever card you want to use, you put that in. I think they even let you do cash, but I had cards, so I put my debit card in or whatever. Put the amount that I wanted to add on there. I just put $20 on there, and it spit my little card out with the money on there, and it asks you if you want a receipt. You hit yes or no, and that was it. It literally took me not even 3 minutes, you know, to do that. So, I don't know. I think it's neat. But that's what I'm doing right now. I need to go to the store so I can get something to cook for the week. I left the house too late. I ain't feel like getting up for real, but I might go do that. I got some ideas on the Alpha line because I get tired of eating the same things. So, we gonna see what I come up with. And I'm gonna get back to y'all.
If you're a black girl, 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 do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you're a black girl, if you're a black girl, if you're
JP, my neck, my back,
So butter rip brown.
my neck, my back, my back, my back, my neck, my back,
So
my back.
butter rip brown. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
My neck, my back, my back,
Oh, oh, oh,
my neck, my back, my
oh
back,
my, oh my.
my neck, my back, my back, 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 my neck, my back,
There goes my
Alright, y'all. I'm home from washing clothes and everything. I did decide to go to the store because I'm about to cook. I just bought some stuff for the week. I'm about to cook. I went to Market Basket and I seen they had lemon pepper fish, so I'm about to do that. And dirty rice. I did have to get ground meat, add to it. Um, green beans. Something usually I cook, but it's 7-Eleven. I still gotta like shower and all that. And some of these cheddar biscuits. Okay. All right, y'all. I might record the process. I'm gonna see. I'm trying to hear you. All right. All right, y'all. I started on the ground meat. I seasoned it. Now I'm about to put my biscuits in the oven. Yeah. After this ground meat done, then I gotta add the rest of this. So yeah. Y'all can't even see. Oosh. Ground meat done. They're so little and cute, man. Alright. Alright. How long I gotta let this go? 25, 30 minutes? Okay. Got dough stuck all to my hands. I want. Don't judge. I know it's dirty. I cleaned it before, but some of us got full-time jobs. Okay. Alright, y'all. I'm about to put my rice in the pot for the meat. I think I'm gonna add some more seasoning. biscuit's ready. My alarm just went off. A little bit of bubbles. I'm gonna put some in here. Oh, it's coming out good, y'all. Hands here, flip it. My rice cooking, my dirty rice. I'm about to take my biscuit out. And yeah, it's time to eat. I'm mixing the garlic and the butter to go on top of these biscuits. I already melted some butter, and this what stuff goes in there. It's supposed to be some kind of garlic and parsley. Okay, flip my fish. What's the other thing? We got a biscuits. The rice is done. Let's see. Oh, I keep on forgetting. Green bean soup. It's time to eat. Okay. Just got through cooking.
Why the headline? Right. Just if you would have said, hey, Chip wants to go up before you. Cool, it's his city. Right. Cool, that's cool. But after me, no. That's unless it was George Wallace walked in, and I'm going, hell yeah. Right? They'll be like, man, they're just stupid. I'm gonna come on here, I'm gonna do a couple of jokes. You know, fuck everybody. Fuck Tip, fuck T.I., fuck you, fuck everybody. Yeah, I would be like, yeah, George Wallace is going up. I go, 5-star general. Right. Rock is here. 5-star general. Seinfeld is for Seinfeld. 5-star general. That's different. Right. But T.I., you're a rapper. I don't know. You're hip hop. I listen to your shit on my shit. So that's what. So we squashed it. We squashed it. It came on my podcast. We squashed it. It's all good, man. And he calls me whenever sometimes he's in New York. Wants to get stage. I try to get him on stage. Yeah, but we all good. He takes it seriously. So I'm more power to him, man.
What comedian you say